Hi, I'm Kat, and today is another package from Tom. Tom always sends some interesting goodies, and I never know what he's going to send me beforehand, so let's open it and see what he sent this time. I'm not even going to bother to guess because some of the things he sends is just so random. And I already see something, but I don't want to show like his address. Here we go. Something very floral. What could it be? Oh, it's pretty big. Oh! It is a dress. Oh my goodness, it's a tiny little dress. Let me show you. Let's move some stuff out of the way. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, I'm going to die. Well, hopefully not. I have no one else here with me, so if I fall, I'm on my own. Okay. It is really, really cute. So let me take off my shoes. Because I'm in a public place, I can't change, but I'll just put this over my clothing. I'm walking on a beach. I was hoping to shoot this down by the lake. My feet. But it's very sunny, and I have a bunch of sand in my boot. Okay. Oh, I have sand in my foot too. Blah. So let me put this on. It may or may not fit because I'm putting it over clothing. Thank goodness I am wearing slippery vinyl leather pants of some sort. I almost fell over on the table. Oh my goodness, it is tight. Well, at least for the arms. Again, I'm wearing clothing, so. Part of me thinks this isn't a good idea. Zipping it up. I might not be able to zip my way out. Oh, I did it! Oh, this is showing. Oh. This is the challenge. See, I don't really work out too much anymore, but I would think this would qualify as a workout. Ooh, it's got a nice little what is it called? Tutu? Not sure if I'd want to wear this to the club because it's so short. Oh no, I guess not. It goes to my knee. Okay. It's a lot longer than I thought. It's so cute. Oh look, it spins out like so nicely. Oh, I love it. And I'm hitting myself in the face with a tree. Oh, thank you, Tom. Can't wait to put this on without all this additional clothing. Let's see. Yay! I escaped! Woohoo! Oh, and just in case anybody's curious and wants this exact cute dress, it is, I'm not going to try to pronounce that right now, and it's a size, oh, you a size 8. Awesome. Okay, this is done for now, and I'm going to put my shoes back on because I don't trust of what could be on the ground here. I saw a bobber, and where there's a bobber, a fishing bobber, there's usually a hook, and that would be painful. When I used to go fishing, I have hooked myself in the fingers with, well, the hooks. It hurts. So here's the box again. Ah, so Okay, if anybody sends me anything, if you put your letters out, I might accidentally show them, so don't put any personal information that you don't want shown on YouTube. Hope dress is your size. It is, darling. Again, it'll fit me better once I'm not wearing this. This is kind of actually thick. So this one I picked up is actually a military blouse. Okay, let's see. Oh, we'll do the letters next. We'll do all of them. Mistress, please read out your voice. Bobby, bless you all sexy. Oh, yes, I will read out. Well, thank you. I'm glad you think my voice is sexy. Ooh, this one's addressed to Mistress. Oops, there we go. Just for the record, you're not old, you're vintage. Well, I'll take that. Happy birthday. Oh yeah, my birthday was in June. Oh, please post pics of Mummy Surth on that. No, I'm not gonna post my mom on the internet. She never wanted that when she was alive, so I can't do that while she's no longer living. So I'm gonna respect her wishes. So sorry. Oh wait, yeah, there's a video of her a long time ago. I shot her one of my videos. Her name is Zoni, and she's in a head shave video. Well, a picture of her in this video. So I think that's okay, because she already agreed to that. Oh, I'm sorry, the other side. Kat, why are you looking so young? Sorry I'm so late. Oh no, it's okay. I would love it if my birthday was every day. No, I don't, because that'd be super old. I look young, probably because I don't wear a lot of makeup. Like, a lot of women, unfortunately, will put like full face every single day, and the problem becomes they're not able to get all that makeup out of their pores. And also, and also I shave my face from time to time. Mostly for videos, but shaving one's face helps to exfoliate the pores, and that's why for a lot of men, as they get older, they look so young, is because they're taking all that dead skin off their face, and so their skin looks healthy and young. So I think if more women did that, I think they'd look just as young too. Okay, more gifts. Ooh, a bamboo charcoal facial sponge. I'm gonna have to give that a go. Alright, so I gotta wet it and rub it all over my face. Definitely, I'll do that. I got chocolate! Yum! Let's see. Oh, nut safe, okay. Oh, it's just milk chocolate. Okay, awesome. I love chocolate. Especially, I'll tell you my favorite chocolate. My favorite chocolate is the darkest chocolate possible, and I love it with nuts or raisins. Oh, I haven't had that for a while. When I was in Germany, I had some really awesome chocolate. The Rittersport chocolate, and they had one with raisins and, of course, it's dark chocolate. And then I also like caramel, although that's not so healthy for me. But I love this too. I will eat this probably as soon as I get home. Oh, and here's the gloves you were talking about. So they are latex and extra grip rubber gloves. So I'm guessing the extra grip are these. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. These little nubbies here. This texture. So I'll put these on. Oh, it's orange on the inside. I've never seen that before. Feel nice. Ooh, I like that texture actually. That does feel really good. Kind of tickles. See if you can hear that. Well, Tom, thank you for all the gifts and these gloves. Not exactly sure what you'd like to see me do with these gloves. Maybe display them. They're a little big, but maybe that's what you like. I have no idea. You'll have to let me know. Well, thank you again. Oh, let me fix this. Colors are falling. Well, let's see. I think that is it for this video. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment below saying why you like the video and what you see more of. Of course, when people send me things, I don't always get to choose. I never get to choose. And that's the fun of it. It's a nice surprise. Yeah, I think that is it. I'm gonna go home, turn on the AC. It's going to be a warm one today. And I'm gonna eat that chocolate. Yummy. So until next time, bye.